Hi, it's Sunday here. So woke up this morning trying to get to work, and then next thing you know, the check engine light came on, right? Couldn't even make the damn block. So, I kind of looked it up what the check engine code was, but it turns out to be a check engine code about the cylinder number 2 misfiring. So, cylinder number 2 misfiring, I was assuming that, hopefully it's just the ignition coil, nothing major, all the spark plugs was replaced about a few months ago. So, can't be that, right? So to determine if it's really the ignition coil for cylinder number 2 that's messing it up, I swapped between the coil for cylinder 2 and cylinder 1, and I was hoping that cylinder 1 would throw me the same code, right? So came down here to the engine management computer, and I go to scan, and then there you go, 3 store codes, right? This morning it was 1. So P3000, that's been that multiple cylinder misfired, right? Looked it up, Googled it, okay? The next code it's gonna give me is P0302, okay? That stands for cylinder number 2 misfiring, okay? That was the initial code that I got this morning. And then after I switched the ignition coil between cylinder 2 and cylinder 1, and look at that, I got a P0301, which is cylinder number 1 also misfiring. There you go, that will resolve it and explains everything. Stop by Advanced Auto Part, got myself a new little ignition coil, and I'm gonna get that swap out, because in this day and age I can't let the check engine light stop me. So alright, so here we are taking out that little plastic cover so we can get access to some stuff here. Come on now, there you go. Cover that up so things don't fall in. Okay, that's cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, and cylinder 4. And remember, I replaced the cylinder 2 with cylinder 1, so we know this is the faulty one. So just simply take that out. Boom, that's bad. Go into the car. Boom, that's a good one. Okay, looks good. Stick that in there. Bada boom. Put the electrical connector back in. Doesn't feel quite right. There you go. Let's try that again. Yeah, click. Doesn't quite click, but okay. Put the cover back on. Boom, 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 boom. Cap. Da, 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 da. Screw, 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 screw. Screw, 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 screw. Okay, and then we're gonna light her up again, and we should be able to see the engine running a lot smoother. And then once we get that confirmed, we'll go ahead and clear the check engine light. I closed everything, right? Yes, I did. Good. Boom, boom, boom. Clutch in. Key. Clear prop. Okay. Okay. Sounds pretty smooth. Alright, we're gonna give it a go. Click on this. Scan again. 3 codes, just like before. Gauge. Okay, system's coming alive. Let's go for a test drive. Oh yes. Beautiful. Just like new. Oh yes. So happy. Me so happy. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and clear the check engine lights. Let's pull over to a safe spot here. Okay, parking brake set, computer, check engine light back here, system, menu, scan, 3-star code, P300, 302 and 301, clear. And yes, we're gonna clear those codes. All codes are clear. Check again. Scan. No codes found. More. No pending codes. Good. We're gonna go back to a false clear. Okay, clear all codes. Confirm. All codes are clear. Back to the monitoring system. And check engine light. It's clear. Good. Bye.